Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. So first of all, open the Janitor AI website. You are going to look for a specific bot to talk to. I'm going to use this one here. And once you notice is that it says that Proxy is enabled on this character. So you are going to go to the bottom here, then select start a new chat. Then you are going to go to the top right corner where are three horizontal lines and then select API settings. Then we have different options here. We have Janitor Ai OpenAI. You are going to go to the right side and select Proxy. After selecting Proxy, under Proxy API settings where it says model, it's going to be on custom on default. You are going to change this to OpenAI preset. Then here you are going to select drop down option and you can change it to a specific model that you like. We have GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo and so on. Then here you can also enter a specific URL for that proxy, and then if it's a variable, you will be able to check it by clicking on this button here where it says check API key / model. And that's pretty much it. That's how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.